configuration.cs. I open this file, and from this file I am removing a comment. And I run this application again.
क्या हुआ? मैं अपना एंड्रॉइड का वाईफाई ऑन करूं? मैं अपने एंड्रॉइड का वाईफाई ऑन करूं? 2G कनेक्शन।
What is added?
ये गया।
I can connect to my Google and log into my application. No, it is using the authentication, open data. It is using the open data API. By using that API, it is getting the response from the Google. This is the type of applications that we were talking when I created a new application where we have specified web API. What is the web API? Web API allows my application to be interactive with other applications. How other applications can communicate with my application. How I can integrate my applications with other users' application. Those types of functionalities are provided by web API. It doesn't have any user interface, but it will provide you a functionality. So we are moving towards the integration of the things. Now, this was one part. I stop this application. My internet is not connected, so it will not running. Now, what happens if I see my toolbox? There are some new tools available. There is a tool by the name of Team. Palamita. It was also available in the 2010. 8. It was available earlier. What is the use of this tool? By using this tool, I can connect to a foundation server, which will allow my complete team to work on the same project. So that all users can work at the same time on the same project. The same check in, check out process can be followed on the team foundation server. Next is my test. Testing. We don't need any other additional tool. We can create our own test. We can provide our own test data, and based upon that test data, it can run my test here. Architecture. I can generate new diagrams for my application development which are required for my team to understand. UML diagrams, use case, activity diagrams. The complete UML you can create here itself in the Visual Studio. And later on you can convert this into the coding as well. I want to do the performance analysis of my application. How my CPU usage is being done. How my memory is used. How many input-output operations are there. How many read and writes are happening on the file system. All this is available in my performance tools. I can analyze my application, whether it is running to the optimal or not. Everything is added to your Visual Studio. Earlier for this we need to use another tool, VTune. There was an additional tool, Intel VTune. If it is an Intel processor, if it is an AMD, tool was different. If I need to do the testing, I require the tools for testing different separately. Now all things are in the single Visual Studio setup. We had Expression Studio, Microsoft Expression Studio. Why it was used? How many of you heard about that? Yes. Expression Blend के बारे में सुना है. Blend was not a single product. It was a part of complete studio, which has blend, encoder, decoder, logo creator. It has everything for working as a designer. Visual Studio is for developers. Now what we have done is we have added blend with Visual Studio. So my application design can be done in the blend, and later on we can use it in the Visual Studio. In the same team, the different users can create. One is a designer who can create my complete UI. The second is a developer who can write the code behind. Now, if I want to search something in this, all my windows now comes with the search functionality. In my search explorer, I can go here and I can type a name. For example, suppose I want to search a bundle. How many files have the same name in my project? It is very easy for our applications which have 10 or 20 pages. But suppose of an enterprise application developer who has to manage 300 or 400 files. This will make his life much simpler to identify what he requires. Another tool which is there, I have shown you this application in IE. I can show this application in the page inspector. It has been new tool, it has been new feature which has been introduced. Now I can run the same application. My application is running. I can inspect this application. And I can see on which files this application is based on. This is my output, and in this output I can identify that this is my about logo. Where is the location of this about? In my page. So that I can only change that particular portion of the page. Which is one very handy feature which will be very useful for the developers. When you are checking your pages, whether all the contents are in their proper place or not. What are the settings that I have applied onto that? I can go and see all those changes there. On which portions, on which files this particular page is based upon. All those files are available here. I can click on any of the files and that file will be opened with me. So that I can see that how much change my development scenario is going to be. There is a lot of change, there is no select, drag and drop and double click. Now I can design, I can test that design, I can provide my style sheet based upon that, and based upon that I will create my application. So there are changes. If I search anything here, then what will happen? As soon as I am changing anything on the top, it is also changing in the inspecting windows as well. Stop this. Now, all the 3 files that I have opened, they are opened from this portion of the. But what about the login partial.chhtml, which is my current file? It is partially opened and it is not from the, what do you say this, left side, it is on the right side. If I open any subordinate files, they will be displayed on the right. So that it will be easier for me to manage my files. If I don't require it, I can close it and see the difference in the colors of the files. This is my original page and that is a separate page. So color is there, for which Visual Studio is known for. Color is there, but color is only where it is required. Now, suppose if I want to search something on this page, say, what I need to search? Home. Earlier, this was a pop-up dialog box. It comes on the top of the UI. Now we have put it at a place where it is not visible, where generally my code is not there. On generally this side of the page, there is no code, where my focus is not there. If I write something which is not there in the page, I will know that it is not a, there is no find for this particular match. It will turn this into the red box. There is no match. If it will find that, so there are changes which are happening there. There is a lot of changes. I can search on many places. I can search. I create a new application. What I need to create? Simple application that you all can understand. The application. I create a simple ASP.NET web form application. I open this in the